Here we come to the elevator, the Koffler building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This is a modernized elevator. It has innovation. It used to be a US elevator. Yeah, this is, I think this is a hydro.
No, I think it's traction, actually.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't know until we actually ride it. We're about to find out.
Oh, it's got a blue indicator. You can see where the original one was.
Yeah, it's up there. There's where the old
I actually
one.
filmed this elevator pre-modernization.
Yeah, this is a blue indicator. I like the blue. I wish it was original though.
You can look at my video of it.
Yeah, that's the custom innovation. We're on one. Let's go look at our GAL interlock. Here's up the shaft. This was obviously heavily modernized pretty recently. Here we go up to 5. Capacity 4,500 pounds.
I don't know if it's a new floor, but it's definitely a new cab and new doors.
Yeah, new cab, new doors. Here we go up to 5.
The lights have been replaced with LED.
Yeah, they're LED. Barely see up there. Yeah, I can see a little bit. That's LED. We're on 5, no classic leveling. Let's go down to 2. The door closed does not work. We can go on to 2.
Yeah.
Get one last look at this awesome blue indicator. Love the blue indicator. Is there a bell? It's out here. Yep. And there's one last look at the cab, and here it goes. Here it goes, and that's gonna be it.